Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set your task manager to appear always on top on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically, enabling this setting would have the task manager window launching and staying on top of any other windows on the desktop unless you close out of the task manager window. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the task bar and select Task Manager. Select the gear icon, the bottom left that says Settings. And now on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Window Management. Check mark where it says Always on Top. And now it doesn't matter what you open on your screen, the Task Manager will appear on the top unless you toggle it back to the off position, in which case then other windows can appear on top of it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.